When would you choose expertise over left join with a null check? Both can find differences between tables, but one critical distinction trips up most developers. The biggest difference is deduplication. Expeat automatically returns distinct rows, eliminating duplicates from the result set. In contrast, left join with a NULL check preserves duplicates from the left table. If your source table has duplicate entries, expeat will consolidate them, while left join shows each one. This means if you need a true set difference without duplicates, expeat does it in one operation. But if you want to preserve the original row count, left join gives you that control. For simple set difference operations, expeat is far more readable and concise. It's declarative. Select from table A except select from table B clearly states your intent. Left join requires you to write the join condition, filter on null, and potentially add a distinct clause. However, left join shines when you need columns from both tables or want to apply complex join conditions. Expeat is limited to comparing entire row structures, while left join lets you specify exactly which columns to match on and access data from both sides. If your query needs to pull columns from the right table, or if you want to join on a subset of columns while selecting others, left join is your only option. For example, finding customers who haven't placed orders, but also showing their registration date requires left join because you're mixing customer data with the absence of order data. expeat can't give you that level of granularity. Performance considerations matter too. expeat typically uses hashing or sorting internally to remove duplicates, which adds overhead. Left join with NULL can leverage indexes on your join keys for faster lookups, especially on large tables. If your join columns are indexed and you don't need deduplication, left join often performs better. But if you're dealing with a small result set and want automatic distinct behavior, expeat can be more efficient overall. Finally, expeat compares all selected columns implicitly. You don't specify which columns to match, it matches the entire row. Left join requires you to explicitly declare your join columns, giving you fine-grained control over the comparison logic. Bottom line, choose expeat for simple, readable set differences with automatic deduplication, and left join when you need flexibility with columns or join conditions. Practice both patterns to ace your SQL interviews. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.